Hello, this is going to be a short demo video on how to use ChatVST and all of the different things it can do. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on this short beat snippet that I made. So we can first take a quick listen to this. Cool, so that's the material we're going to be working with. So let's go into ChatVST. We've got this on the master bus. So first thing I'm going to want to do is add an EQ, and I can do this either from drop-down menu where all my plugins will come, or I can do it in the chat window. So first I'll do it from the drop-down menu. So we've got Pro Q, we can load in the EQ here, or we can just ask ChatVST to do it. Cool. So now we've got it loaded up. And now let's add our desired settings. So I want to gently boost bass, cut mids, and boost highs. So we're going to do everything gently. So please gently boost the bass, gently cut the mids. Let's say maybe 600 hertz, and gently boost highs with, and then we can say use high shelf for high end. Cool, so it's applied these settings. These are 2 dB boosts and cuts, so pretty gentle. And then I didn't want this one to be a low shelf, I wanted it to be a bell. So let's just ask for that. Please make the low band a bell, not a shelf. Cool, so it's made that change for me. So now we can maybe adjust some of these frequencies and gains, but then we can take a listen. Cool, so just a little shaping here. And then next, let's add some subtle saturation with Saturn. So please add gentle saturation with Saturn 2. So in this case, not only is it going to add the plugin, which it did, it's also going to make the settings that we want. And these are simple settings, but it does what we want. So it even used the gentle saturation type and set the drive very low. So cool, it doesn't affect the sound much. And then another cool thing I can demonstrate with this plugin is educational aspects. So, or if we just want to learn some information. So let's say what types of distortion are available on Saturn. So we can get this information ourselves from the drop-down menu of all of the different types, but it'll also, the assistant can also just tell us all of them in this nice list. So we can see there's 4 tube types, subtle, clean, warm, broken, which are reflected there. There's 4 tape types, subtle, clean, warm, old, etc. So we can see all of those. And then let's say just simply please change to destroy type. Cool. And so cool thing with this, it'll do it quickly, and then I don't even need to know which subcategory that's in. So instead of searching through all of these different options to find that one, I can do it just with, by referring to this list and then asking ChatVST. So I don't actually want that type, so it'll go back, I just revert it, it'll go back to the previous settings. And then now we can move on to multiband compression. So let's say add Pro MB. Cool. And so we've got a blank slate here. And then let's say I'm new to this plugin and I want to just learn about the basic functionality it has. So please explain what Pro MB is and what it does, or how it works. Cool, so it gives us a nice paragraph. So if you want, you can pause the video and go through and see how good this explanation is. I'm not going to go through that in the video. So let's now say we want to add a 3-band, a gentle like mastering template with 3 bands. So please adjust Pro MB to have a gentle mastering template with 3 bands. Cool, so it's gone ahead and made these 3 bands with some reasonable cutoff frequencies. So yeah, it's set gentle thresholds, gentle ratios, and then we know for this Pro MB we actually have to set the range for any compression to actually take place. So let's ask it, please set range to -6 dB for each band. And it can make those changes. Cool, so it's activated the range now, so compression will actually be applied up to 6 dB on each band. So we can accept this and go ahead and listen. So just gentle tightening up. Cool, and then the last thing we need to do is add a limiter to actually get the signal to hang out around 0 dB. So do add Pro L. Cool, so now we have Pro L in our chain. So we don't need to really go into details on this. Let's just adjust the gain, which we could do it just easily by dragging the slider, but we'll just have ChatVST do it. Set Pro L gain to 12 dB. Cool, and it's boosted that, so we can now listen. Cool, that's actually giving us reasonably loud master. So it's not perfect, but yeah, so that's some of the stuff you can do here with ChatVST. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. I hope you learned about our initial product, and we also want to mention we're very excited about applying this potentially at the DAW level. So we're open to collaboration on different projects, but we've gotten the latency down and the context reasonably managed to be able to make this assistant work in real time. So yeah, please reach out if you're interested in working with us.